Open your present.
Yeah, here.
Right now I got nothing on the camera.
Awesome. What camera?
Let's see what's in here.
This one.
Oh.
Let's see what's in here.
Another one?
Shirley, see what's in here. No. Here.
Nalina, open. Look, what's in here? Look, open. Ooh. What is it? What is it, huh?
Oh, real
What
hard.
is it? Ooh, school bus. All right.
Oh, can I play with you?
Let's take it out. I don't know.
You want to tell Brian to come up here? And you can open your present.
Somebody has one on again.
Nick, run down and get Uncle Brian.
There you go. Look what I got, Carrie.
Nice, Daddy.
Yeah, you can.
Nalina, come here. Open more.
My shoes and everything.
Oh. Here, look. What's in here? Come on. Here, babe, you record and I'm going to help her.
Here, Nellie.
Look. Say she's not going to want to open any more of her presents if you do that.
Do what?
Get that out. Here, open this. What's in here?
Hi, Grandpa.
Some more people.
Nick, go get Uncle... Does Mom go get Brian? No. Nick, go get Uncle Brian. Here, look. Alina, what's in here? Look. Look. What is that? What's in... Oh, look at that. Look. Ooh. Isn't that neato? Look at that.
No, Adam, go get him. Here's the trash bag.
Here, open this up. Melina. Thank you.
Hey, 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 hey.
Why didn't you buy a voicemail?
Were they clearance?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. I don't care.
Nina. Cadê o Tivos, Batata? Cadê o Tivos? Cadê o Tivo da Nina? Vixe, o de primama.
Come here. Did Brian say it's coming up?
Yeah, he's getting it.
Oh, the keychain.
Look, Melina, this is from Grandma. Open it. Look. Open it. What's it? He's tearing it. Open it up.
Did he say he's coming up now? Was he in the shower?
Oh,
All right, a little turtle. Isn't that neato? Did you open it all up? I got one more thing, but it's in the mail. Didn't get here on time.
What is it?
What do you say?
Mama, hey. Here, Nalina. Here, Nalina. Open.
Thank you, Ronnie and Carrie.
You're welcome.
you're welcome. Merry
You like 'em?
Christmas.
Yeah, I'm taking this shirt and pinning it up.
Oh, okay. Here, Nalina. Nalina.
Whoa, show those muscles, Nick.
Open it. What is
Show
it?
those muscles.
What is it?
Whoa.
Elmo submarine.
I didn't get here in time. Carrie,
No, it's your hat and your gloves.
That's okay though, isn't it? Get it later.
yeah, I'll do it later.
What are you doing?
Get my new shirt on.
Wow.
Woo-woo.
That shirt.
Good shirt.
Open.
Another one? Huh? The other one doesn't
it
work.
worked last night.
I'm gonna play this game.
What's
Okay,
that?
Nick, honey. Wait a
What
second.
is it? Ooh,
You need to grab the
stack.
trash and put it in the trash bag.
All right, looky there. See? Okay, hold
Or
on.
Nalina's again.
Let me get
Mom,
Oh,
oh,
wait,
There's
Here,
Uncle
Mom.
Brian.
here.
How are you, Brian?
Oh, wow. Heavy.
Here, Nick. You don't know what it is. Hi, Brian. Merry Christmas. Here, Nalina.
Grandma, where's my